guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, Magical Gamer 21, and today's video is on how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So let's get right to it. So in order to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, you're going to go ahead and solve 3 corners, and once you get 3 corners solved, you're going to bring the white side directly underneath of the missing piece, and repeat the following algorithm: right inverted, down clockwise, right, and down counterclockwise. And keep on repeating this algorithm until the white corner piece is in its correct position. Now the white side is completely finished. Now we're going to work on solving the layer around the white side. As you can see, blue is with green and red is with orange, and we don't want that. Instead, we want red with red, green with green, orange with orange, and blue with blue. So in order to do that, you're going to look around the cube to see if you have any matching colors. If you don't have any matching colors, it's okay, but if you do, just make sure that the matching pair is facing away from you. And if you already have the whole layer completely solved, you want to skip to the later part in the video shown on screen right now. So for the people who do not have the layer completely solved, you want to do the following algorithm: right inverted, down clockwise, right, left inverted, down counterclockwise, left, right inverted, down clockwise, right. Now you'll see that you have one match on your cube, and you're going to make it face away from you, and you're going to repeat the same algorithm again. Right inverted, down clockwise, right, left inverted, down counterclockwise, left, right inverted, down clockwise, and right. Now you'll see that you have an entire layer around the top of your cube. Now we can move on to try and solve the rest of the cube. So what we're going to do is make white face on the bottom, and we're going to focus on correctly solving the corners. So in order to do that, we're going to find a corner that matches with 2 colors. In this case, red and blue does not match with red and green. And now we have red, green. Red and blue does not match. And then we have orange and blue, and then orange and blue on the bottom, which matches, so it's correct. Then we have yellow, orange, and green, which matches with orange and green. So we have 2 corners that are correct, and these 2 corners need to swap. So we're going to put our 2 fingers on the corners and do the following algorithm: right counterclockwise, upper face counterclockwise, right inverted, upper face inverted. And you're going to repeat this algorithm 2 more times. Once you're done with that, turn the entire cube clockwise and do the following algorithm: left face inverted, upper face inverted, left counterclockwise, upper face counterclockwise. And repeat the algorithm 2 more times. Now you will see that the yellow, red, and blue piece is in between blue and red, which is correct. The yellow, blue, and orange piece is in between blue and orange, which is correct. The yellow, green, and orange piece is in between orange and green, which is correct. And the yellow, red, and green piece is in between green and red, which is correct. So now all the corners have been solved. Another case you could have is when 2 corners need to swap diagonally. In this case, it doesn't matter how you hold the cube, just the white side needs to face down. So the algorithm for this is right counterclockwise, upper face counterclockwise, right inverted, upper face inverted. And repeat the algorithm 2 more times. Once you're done with that, turn the entire cube clockwise and do the following algorithm: left face inverted, upper face inverted, left counterclockwise, upper face counterclockwise. And repeat the algorithm 2 more times. Now you will see that the first 2 corners are solved, and now the other 2 corners need to swap. So you just do the same algorithm again: right counterclockwise, upper face counterclockwise, right inverted, upper face inverted. And repeat the algorithm 2 more times. Once you're done with that, turn the entire cube clockwise and do the following algorithm: left face inverted, upper face inverted, left counterclockwise, upper face counterclockwise. And repeat the algorithm 2 more times. Now you will see that all the corners are solved. Now we can move on to finishing the rest of the cube. So what you're going to do is flip the cube over and do the following algorithm. Right counterclockwise, upper face counterclockwise, right inverted, upper face inverted. And keep on repeating the algorithm until the yellow corner is solved. Now you're going to move the yellow side until it is facing towards you, and do the following algorithm. Right counterclockwise, upper face counterclockwise, right inverted, upper face inverted. And keep on repeating the algorithm until the yellow corner is solved. Congratulations! You have just solved a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. With practice, you will be able to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube in under 1 minute. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I hope you guys enjoyed.